Are you patient and empathetic? Are you good at problem solving? Do you have an interest in treatments for musculoskeletal health? Then a career as a chiropractor may be an easy adjustment for you. Chiropractors are medical professionals who diagnose, treat, and help patients prevent problems with the spine, muscles, bones, joints, and nervous system. They advise on corrective exercises, posture, and nutrition, and provide hands-on treatments such as manipulating or adjusting skeletal and other body tissues. To help us work out the details of this interesting career, we spoke to a chiropractor working in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kent Ferguson, and I'm a chiropractor. My first interest into healthcare came from my grandmother, who taught me at a young age that your body was designed to heal itself. And as a doctor of chiropractic, that's a lot of what we're doing. We're looking to help someone's spine, someone's nervous system operate in a way that allows them to do the things that their body already knows to do. Most chiropractors in Canada work in a private setting. So they're going to be working either as a sole practitioner or with a group of other chiropractors. My first duty and responsibility is to make sure I am providing ethical, quality care to my patients. That will then lead into everything else that I do throughout the day. You want to make sure you have this. My main task as a chiropractor is seeing patients. That's examining them, that's adjusting them, that's helping them understand their problems and how chiropractic may be able to help them with those problems. During a typical day, I might see a handful of new patient visits where we're conducting examinations and taking patient histories. We may be also conducting re-examinations where we check in on their progress, and then the majority of the day would be for regular adjustments where people are coming in for their acute care needs or for their maintenance care needs, and we're managing and taking care of that. In my practice, I use manual, my hands. I use a device called an activator, which is a spring-loaded assisted device to deliver an adjustment. I also use a device called an integrator, which is another spring-loaded device used to deliver an adjustment, but in a specific form. That allows me as a chiropractor to deliver the right adjustment at the right time for what the patient needs. There's going to be a certain stretching, natural. I think some of the characteristics that are good to have to being a chiropractor is problem solving, active listening. You likely have to be more intuitive, and when it comes to the delivery of your chiropractic adjustment, specific and fast. Your work day as a chiropractor, from a physical standpoint, you're going to be on your feet for the majority of your day as you're going from either table to table or room to room, depending on how your clinic may be set up, walking to the front of the clinic, to the back of the clinic as you're dealing with staff and staff needs. To become a chiropractor, someone will need to complete 3 years of a degree and then complete 4 years of a Doctor of Chiropractic degree. If you are interested in becoming a chiropractor, I think it would be helpful to shadow a chiropractor if possible, so that you have an idea about the environment for yourself. Most satisfying part of the job is seeing the change in people, seeing the change in how they move. In some cases, seeing a change in mood, in attitude, when you're able to help them with chronic pain. That's rewarding.
Successful chiropractors have good listening and stress management skills. They enjoy studying various methods to provide the best treatment for their patients. Manual dexterity and physical strength are also essential in this career. If this sounds like you, why not take a crack at a career as a chiropractor? Bone up on the details of this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, by going to the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including acupuncturist, physiotherapist, or naturopathic doctor. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.